What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be installing an Invidia Catless downpipe on my 2017 STI. So quick shout out to importimageracing for getting us this downpipe. They have the lowest prices on their website. Make sure to go ahead and check them out. Alright guys, so I'm here with a wrxpert, JC.
How you guys doing? I'm JC from WRXperts. I'm going to be assisting my boy JJ with this install today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Alright, so I'm going to have JJ start off by removing the top mount intercooler. He's going to start off by removing the bolts on the side. He already has an AOS, so a few things have already been removed. If you don't have an AOS, you haven't removed the sound tube already, you'd have to do it, which would be two 10mm bolts. Whatever, then you have the 12mm bolt on the sides. Then you have the two 12mm holding the blow-off valve. Two more for the bracket supporting it. Then you're gonna have to loosen up the clamps, which would be an 8mm. One here, and one right under the intercooler.
Catch this gasket, right?
Yeah.
That is a little hot.
Take off the 12 for this bracket, and then you're gonna take off 12 for this one over here. More space. See that bolt right there, right under the inlet of the turbo?
Let me touch it. So this one?
Yeah. So remove that so you can remove this bracket and we'll put on after. The heat shield's gonna be a pain in the ass, by the way.
Really?
So you have a 10 on the side, you got a 10 on the back, you have two 10s on the side down here, which you'll probably never be able to see.
Trying to see if I could get these on camera. I don't know if the camera captures this, but there's a rusted bolt down there that will be taken off on the heat shield, and there's a non-rusted one too next to it, but those are gonna be a pain. So what you're saying, it's Juan's ghetto work that's causing an issue right now?
Nah.
Oh, we're just talking about him.
So I'm just walking him through it.
Then after like 4 or 5 videos, he opens up a shop like he's like this. Just go home, you know, don't worry about it. Then she's like, oh, he's recording what we're talking about?
Yeah.
My name is Andy Vaca.
If you can't find a reason to come to wrxperts, just know that they will bend over for you while they're working. We got how many off?
5.
5 off. And we got
3 more to go.
3 more.
You gotta find it though. It's like right here.
Just do it. There's a bolt, 10mm bolt, you gotta get to that one. You gotta just take that one out, because that one, when you drop the downpipe, it's gonna make it like easier.
I look like I'm wearing like a ex-boyfriend shirt or some shit. Like, he gave me an extra large. So there was 1 bolt on this side right here. There was 2 down here, 1 up top here. Turn it around, 2.
The one in the back?
1 in the back. So that's a total of math. I recommend going to wrxperts, let them do it. It's not worth it. Alright, so to make our life easier on the downpipe, we're gonna remove a 10mm bolt over here on the right side.
You're gonna start off with these two, take off this whole bracket, then you're gonna have another two on each side. Somebody needs to go to the gym.
Oh my god, I need to stretch before I do this shit. Look at JC setting us up with the studio lights right here.
Now you're gonna get the two 10mm bolts.
Right here?
Yep.
It's not gonna fall, right?
No. I hope not.
I swear, these clips are the stupidest clips. Don't they make better ones now? This side, so when I pull it out.
Alright, tag.
There you go. Alright, so now we're gonna pass this through the top. Right here. Alright, so we move this over here on this side, so when we take the downpipe off, it's not hanging over here. We're gonna take this off while the downpipe's off, make our life easier. Now we're gonna take off the downpipe from the exhaust.
Yep.
So it's actually a 13. But on a stock one, it'd probably be 12, you said? Alright, finger time. When you think it's finger ready, it's not.
You have to get that 14 off. That's what's supporting in the way right now.
I see.
Hold that bracket.
Should I let it fall?
It'll fall.
We don't need it?
Nope.
Okay, so we're gonna be using this oxygen sensor removal tool to take off the oxygen sensor from the stock downpipe. Around there. Loosen it up like that. Do the rest by hand, right? We're gonna put it on the new downpipe. Make sure you don't cross thread it. All right, hand tight. Oh, you guys also want to make sure that this is on here tight if you got the extra bung hole. Bung hole, all right, that's what it's called, right? It's a bung hole, so make sure this is on tight. Bung hole. Make sure this is on tight. Sometimes it's loose, like your average girl at the bar. So, that's all right. So we used a 17 to tighten this. It was a little loose, but for the most part, it came with a tight bung hole. So check your bung holes. All right, so we got the grimmspeed. All right, so we got the grimmspeed gasket. We're gonna be putting on the turbo. This goes from the turbo to the downpipe. Very simple. Just put it on like that. Then give your turbo a little spin for good luck. Good to go. All right, now we do like the symbol, right? You hold it up. All right, those are up there. You want to put it on this hook right here. What's it called? The J hook?
Yep.
All right, it's on there. All right, so we're gonna put the bottom nut of the downpipe first, so it doesn't come off when we're putting the other bolts and nuts in. So we're just gonna twist it a little bit so it's on there. Next, we're gonna be putting this bolt on right here. Got the gasket from downpipe to exhaust. All right, so put this in. I guess it doesn't matter which side the bolt goes through.
Personal preference.
Personal preference. It's good. Tight. Tight. Someone knocking?
It's the lift shaking. You shook the whole car.
Oh shit, I thought someone was knocking. Alright, plugged in, putting the sleeve back over. All right, so now we're gonna come back over here and tighten the nut that is on the downpipe to turbo. All right, so next we're gonna put the two nuts on the side of the downpipe on next. What size is that?
14s.
All right, next we're gonna be putting this bracket on right here. Goes through the downpipe and through the turbo. And then we're gonna put these two nuts and tighten it. All right, so next we're gonna be putting the Cobb heat shield on the turbo. The stock one does not fit. So this one, we're gonna be grabbing the best 3 bolts off the stock heat shield. And we're gonna be using that. When we go on there, we're gonna kind of keep this on here so we don't scratch it up against any brackets or anything when we go and shimmy this in there. All right, so here is the turbo heat shield. We put it on there. We haven't bolted it down yet. I gotta peel this off, put the bolt 1, 2 there, the third one on the other side. We're good to go. Where's the third one? I can't find this third one. On the left side?
Where's that hard to get to position?
Oh, all the way down there?
Yes, sir.
Green. Yeah, pepper's fine.
So this is that third bolt that's a pain in the ass all the way down here. Definitely need the right tool to get there. After this is just the intercooler, right? Done? And then the low
And
OTS.
you gotta change, you gotta remember to change the tune.
Oh.
So remember this goes over the AOS line. So these two will go on the block. So
We'll just do it right now.
So do one here, and then after, once you get it back on, this is the one that'll go here.
So we're putting on this bracket next. It's 3 bolts right here. 2 to the block, 1 to this other bracket. Good. Tighten it with
It's 12s.
12.
Dude, you got working on the Subaru? This
Break?
This can't be good. This can't be good.
Wait, were you Evo first or
STI first.
Oh, he's STI first though.
Lie.
How important is this bolt? Alright, ready? You should be doing this. You're a pro at it. Shit, I'm a pro at it. Oh shit, it's in. That slid right in. Woo! Whoa. Got weird? Sorry. Did it get weird?
There you go, sir.
Alright, last part, we're putting this bracket on the right side of the intercooler. This part goes underneath, this one on top. There. Alright, grab.
Stop there.
Bypass valve actually looks like it's lined up. Nice and ready to go.
No, just check it. Look, put your hand here. Feel for any leaks.
Like you would feel air pushing out?
Yeah, you'll feel air. Kind of like just blowing on your hand.
Oh, it sounds aggressive. I love it. Going back to the future? Isn't there a Mario Kart software thing you download? Put Mario Kart on the screen?
It's on the Model 3s.
Oh.
You can put Rainbow Road on this one. Oh, you can? How?
Is this camera gonna hit me in the face?
Yeah.
Oh, shit. Alright.
Yo, hold on to that shit for your fucking life.
Just like squat in.
I mean, I'll definitely race you in this if this is how it is.
Damn. What the fuck? Does one want to launch control?
Oh, shit! Oh, shit! Alright, I won't race you.
Element of surprise.
Think you can hold it and wait for someone to flag? Just
Oh, shit. I want one.
guys, so final thoughts on the downpipe. I love the way it sounds. I was scared it was gonna be too loud. Just daily driving it, it is a little loud, but only when you get on it. If you can stay at a constant like RPM, low RPM, stay on a highway, it's not too bad compared to just having the Invidia R400. Now, one thing I forgot to mention was, since I have the Cobb Intake, I'm not able to use the Cobb Stage 2 tune. You have to put your stock intake back in to use that. Luckily, the guys at wrxperts and Mike Body were able to give me a bass tune for the car, so I'm able to run it with the stock intake and the downpipe. Now, it's just a bass tune, so it's nothing crazy, but the car just feels amazing, sounds amazing. It feels so smooth. I've never seen my parameters so perfect. Like, damn is always at 1. The feedback, learn, and knock is at 0. I don't see it ever change, so I'm really impressed with the tune, even though it's just a bass tune. So once again, shout out to wrxperts. Thank you for the lift and the help on the install. It was awesome hanging out with you guys. As you can tell in the video, we had a great time just hanging out. And Mike Body, thank you for the tune. Definitely be going with you. So go ahead and check them two out. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks.